How to restore Google Messages on new phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on System. After you're in System, you will find Backup. Click on Backup. After you're in Backup, simply turn on Backup by Google One. After you've done that, in your new phone, open with same Google account. After you've logged in with the same Google account, you can open Google Messages and it will be restored automatically. And this is how to restore Google Messages on new phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.